If you'd like to see me transform these plain kids Nikes into these very cute and girly Nikes by adding a pinch of bling, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding just a few rhinestones to the pink checks on these shoes. These are my 10-year-old daughter's shoes, and we're also going to add some really pretty blingy lace charms. I'm going to be using E6000 glue and a wax pickup tool. Before I get started, I will be adding a little alcohol onto a paper towel just to clean off that factory finish where I'm going to be adding the rhinestones, just to make sure that they adhere pretty well. We definitely don't want anything falling off. And of course, you make sure that the alcohol dries all the way before you start adding your glue and rhinestones. So I'm just going to add just a little line of glue, and I'm just going to carefully take my time and apply the stones onto the glue. Make sure you press firmly because you don't want the rhinestone to be just floating on top of the glue. I've done that before, so I kind of just go back over them all and just kind of do a gentle press. Now, if you find that you have some of the wax from your wax pickup tool or pen getting on the rhinestones, what you'll do once everything has cured and dried, you'll just go over it with some alcohol and just wipe off the excess wax. So don't worry about that. Now, of course, if you want to take it to the next level, you can add rhinestones to the entire shoe. I can do that as well, but I don't want to. I like to do short-winded DIYs. Every now and then I will do an entire shoe or an entire cup or something like that, but I'm not really into those type of DIYs. I like to get them over with and move on to something else because this can be very, very time consuming. I just wanted her check mark to stick out. We're very girly and we love pink. She likes pink just as much as I do. So I just thought it'd be really cool to add on these pink AB rhinestones. And these are 5mm rhinestones. You can use whatever size you like, but I do find myself using 5mm rhinestones the most. So you can just watch me go ahead and add these rhinestones. And these shoes were, I think they were on sale for about $65 on Nike.com, and I believe there are 6.5 in youth size. So I think that the hint of rhinestones is a great option for someone who's a beginner or someone who, like me, who just isn't that patient. Like, a lot of these DIYs do require some patience. I like to think I have some patience, but I'm not that patient to just bling out an entire shoe all the time. I just want her shoes to just kind of stand out. These really fit her personality, especially with the pink. She usually has like and these are her shoes for like the first day of school. So this video is a little late with as far as the editing. I did these shoes probably about 2-3 weeks ago. I think school started. So forgive me, I'm just getting caught up on my editing, but she usually gets an all pink shoe. So I was like, you know, let's try something different. Let's go a little darker, but still have some pink. So these were actually really perfect. And these are coming together really quickly. And something like this does not take that long to do. That's why I like just adding a hint of bling. So this is a hint of bling if you don't have that much patience, or if you don't have that many rhinestones, or if you don't have that much time. And the E6000, remember, it is one of the only glues, me personally, that I trust on shoes. Everything locks on very, very well, and it lasts really good. Like, I've had shoes that I've rhinestoned out for myself, and the rhinestones last. Now, I know sometimes kids can be a little rough with their shoes, because sometimes my daughter can be slightly, not really rough, but she does also have other shoes that are in rotation. So I guess it just depends. But her rhinestones generally, for the most part, stay on. I do like for the glue to dry at least 24 hours before wearing them. But if you can't help it, to speed up the curing process, what I do is let it dry for at least 5 or 6 hours. Because be honest with you, I was up the day before school. I don't know. I'm just a last minute person and I don't like it, but that's just how I am sometimes. I started these shoes around 2 a.m. I finished like around 3 a.m. And I had them drying overnight in front of a high powered like fan. The fan was turned up. And they cured just fine and nothing came off so far, and she's been wearing them. So just continue to take your time and add the rhinestones. I noticed, some people like to add the rhinestones not so close to each other, so it really depends on the look you're going for. If you want them nice and tight and close together, do it that way. If you want them spaced out, do it that way. So, they're your shoes, it's your creativity. Do them exactly how you'd like to. And this is just to give you an idea of something that's like really, really simple that you can do. You do not have to bling out an entire shoe to still give it that customized look. You just don't have to. Okay, so I'm almost finished. I'm working on the second shoe, and I'm going to show you at the end her slouch socks that she ended up wearing to school on the first day. I already did the slouch sock video because I want to make sure I got that video out because people were really into those socks. Those socks are super cute. So I'll have more slouch sock videos coming as well. But yeah, I'm almost finished. The only thing that I have to do after adding these rhinestones is go ahead and add on this really pretty lace charm. You can get lace charms on Amazon. They have so many different kinds that you can get. And I think it just really brought everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and lace these up and we'll be finished. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of these Nikes from my daughter. I really like how these turned out. I do. I even think that she can go with a pink shoestring. I think a pink shoestring would be cute, but I like the black shoestrings too because especially she don't need no white shoestrings because for whatever reason her white shoestrings get dingy pretty quickly. Maybe because of being on the playground at school or something. I don't know, but I like the color combination of these shoes. I like the black, the white, and the pink. I think these are like really fun to wear. And again, I use E6000 glue, a wax pickup tool, and you want to let the glue dry and cure at least 24 hours. Of course, the longer the better. But let them cure. Let them sit in front of a fan if you don't feel like waiting 24 hours. Again, the lace charms, you can get them off Amazon. I think the lace charms were no more than about maybe $7 or $8, but they usually come with a couple different pair. So these were for the first day of school, like I told you, but this will also be something that'd be cute for like a birthday outfit. If you wanted to have this like for a special occasion. I know sometimes people go to those sneaker balls and they wear really cute tennis shoes with dresses and get all dressed up. That would be cute. Adding some bling to your checks. Oh, here are her socks. Her socks were pink. Very close pink to the checks, if not identical. So I did do a video showing how to make your own brooches and how to do the slouch socks. And I just thought these were so adorable. Because her shoes were high top, she did have to make some adjustments to where she put her brooches. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. And if you do, hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated when I upload new videos. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount. Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.